In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscriptions on your Shopify store. This process is a great way to enhance your business model by providing recurring revenue while offering your customers the convenience of automated shipments. First, we'll need to head over to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this by going to your Shopify store and logging in if you haven't done so already. Once you are in the home section of your store, the next step is to locate the settings, which is usually found on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to open a new set of options. Once you have the settings menu open, look for the link labeled Apps and Sales Channels. This section is where all your Shopify apps are managed, and it's where we will be going to set up our subscription feature. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll be landing on a page with all the installed apps. Our goal today is to find the subscription app that works best for your store, so go ahead and click on the Shopify App Store button that appears on this page. The Shopify App Store is where you'll search for Shopify subscriptions. Simply type this into the search bar. Once you have entered the search term, you'll be presented with various subscription apps available for Shopify. Browse through the list and locate the app titled Shopify Subscriptions. When you find it, click on it to open its details page. This page will give you a deeper insight into its functionality and features. Once you're satisfied with what the app offers, you'll want to click the install button to add it to your store. After the installation is complete, navigate back to your Shopify admin under the apps section and click on Create Plan within the subscription app. Here is where you can start to customize your subscription offerings. First, you'll want to set a title for your subscription plan. This should be something descriptive that tells your customers exactly what the plan entails. Next, you'll need to choose the products you wish to offer as subscriptions. Make sure to select items that your customers frequently purchase. Once your products are selected, you can then offer a discount to make the subscription more enticing. Decide here whether you want to offer a percentage off, an amount off, or set a fixed price for the subscription. Each of these can be tailored to suit your business needs. Now determine the delivery frequency of the products. This could be weekly, monthly, or any other interval that fits your business model. You'll also need to set up the delivery interval, which further refines how often deliveries are made. After setting up all these details, the final step is to hit the Save button to store all your subscription settings. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now equipped with a subscription service, adding a new layer of interaction and value for your customers. Be sure to review the settings and refine the options as necessary to best suit your business needs and customer expectations. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.